Hi students, last session we discussed about there are two types of archaeological inscriptions and we discussed about coins. Okay, in this class, in this session we are discussing about another two important archaeological source. One is monuments, second one is other ruins. Okay, first of all we want to discuss about monuments. How the historians they created history to use monuments, how they built, how they written, how they used, that only we are discussing in this class. And second one is other ruins. Okay, first of all, monuments for examples. We can see temples, palace, not only this one, buildings, forts. We can see these like of important places we can see as a monuments. Historians also consider these are the places as a monuments. Okay, how they used monuments as a history, how they created. Okay, they saw the structures of buildings or palace or forts, that structure or style they saw. Not only this one, any inscriptions is there, they saw that also. Afterwards, they analyzed the theory, analyze that one temple or what they saw that built or the physical structures they saw. After they created as a history. Okay, in this part there's so many of buildings. I will say one by one examples. For example, historians they visited each by each buildings or temples or historical places and they researched. They saw what was the technology they used to build this one palace or temples, how they constructed, and how is physical conditions and how is economic conditions, social conditions. They all are analyzed after they written by history. I will say one by one. For example, Vijayanagara Empire. So many of lot of temples they built in Ballari and MP. So in that base historians they written who are the kings came in Vijayanagara Empire. They all are given contribution or they given more importance to religious matters or religious purpose. Not only this one, we can see these like of so many of contributions. And they built by so many of lakes, palace or other monuments. To because foreigners anybody they want to came to India, Vijayanagara Empire, they need rooms to settle. So they built some of the shelter facility. Okay, not only this one, we can see these like one by one. For example, Shah Jahan built by Taj Mahal. This is a symbol of love. We all are believing, but he used so much of technology after only he built. So historians they thought that Shah Jahan or in that time who are people they lived, they know the knowledge about technology. Not only this one, we can see this like only Vijayanagara's Chittoor's Vijayastamba. That only victory pillar. This is saying about the victory of Ranakumbha. Not only this one, we can see the paintings of elephant and Ajanta and Ellora. Now also we can find out what was the technology they used. Now also still damage that one paintings. Now also we can see. Still now we can find it. What was the technology we used? Now also historians they researching about that paintings. That much of attractive paintings. So they written in history. These like peoples they got the knowledge about paintings or construction style or technology. Not only this one, we can see these like of so many of examples they are given in your book also. This like only for example temples architecture style, Aihole, Pattatkallu. The designs are small micro designs. So these are the information they collected and they written in history. We can see Srirangapatnam fort also, how they built, what was the methods they used. They researched by historians and created by history. So these like monuments also helpful for historians to create a history. They saw religious aspects, not only this one, social conditions, economic conditions, and what was the contribution technology Historians, they collected the information and they written in history. Okay, next last one point in archaeological source, that is other ruins. Other ruins also one of the important source to write a history. Which are the examples we can see for other ruins? One by one, they are already given in textbook. One is pieces of terracotta, bangles, beads and seal. These like of sources they got collected and they written by history. Okay, what is terracotta? Some members now confused. What is that one, terracotta? Some of the peoples, what they use their daily life, pot or something other items, they used one like of soil. This is called, now also we can see that like a parts. Historians they collected. This only called as a terracotta. What they used Asian peoples in their daily life, what they left, that instruments, that only called as a terracotta. What they got information, historians, they not in directly that one, oh we got Vijayanagara Empire in this one pottery. No. That one they studied as a scientifically, after only they written in history. Okay, how they studied that one? So they applying carbon-14. This is one of the scientific method. In that based, they using some of the biological metals or ruins. For example, dead animals, birds or trees. What they got about that pieces or any bone or anything, they collected and they applied carbon-14 and they studied about scientifically about that one particular pieces. After only they collected information written by history. Oh, this like of animals or this like of bones we got in this century animal or bone they used for this one purpose. Oh, this animal bone they used as a weapon. Or if you got any bones or human beings, they said that this like of structures human beings in that ancient time. So these like other ruins also helped to historians to create a history. In Karnataka also some of the place historians they collected these like of other ruins. Which are the place? Here they gave one by one. First one is Yadgiri district and Rajghatta of Doddaballapura Taluk. In these two places in also they got so much of evidence about human beings and how their lifestyle, what was the things they used. These are the matters they collected and they written in history. In that based they are thinking historians they written before ancient time peoples they lived in two important places. One is Doddaballapura, second one is Yadgiri district. So these like historians they collected the sources after they analyzed, after the scientific study they written by history. So now you understood. If you want to write history means there are some of the methods. In that method we want to should follow. After only we can write the history. We need some of the source. Without source we cannot write history. Already first session already told. Without source history is waste or useless. We cannot believe. Sources must and should need to create a history. Okay. Today your first lesson finished. Next session or next class we can see next lesson. Okay. Thank you. Bye.